Hey there, how are you? Thanks for checking out At the Wheels. I am Dave, and I am the one who put this channel together, trying to build it here. So I do thank you for checking it out. As we all tell you, please like, subscribe, follow me, do all those things, the Instagram. I'll put all that stuff up at the end. But really, really appreciate it. If you like this kind of content with cars and the things I'm going to be doing with reviews and all that fun stuff, please share it with your pals. Thanks so much. So, one of the features on the At the Wheels channel that I had been talking about in the previous video is something called, formerly, the idiot in the Orange Porsche, but now we're going to call it the Doofus in the Orange Porsche.
Beans. Beans.
And I'm the Doofus. So the situation was, you know what? I'm half an idiot. There's no question I'm half an idiot, but I'm not really a full idiot yet.
I know you're not quite right in the head, son.
So I didn't really want to say the idiot in the Orange Porsche. It just didn't sound really fair. I got to give myself a little credit. I got at least a shred of an ego, right? So we're going to call it the Doofus in the Orange Porsche. I kind of like that a little better. So in the spirit of building this channel and attracting followers, and I'm going to race here to get 1,000 followers. So anybody you know that's into car content and all the other goofy stuff I'm going to do, that would be great if you share it with them.
And now, a word from our sponsor.
This is Zeppy. He is my, oh boy, okay, buddy. Yeah, I know, you're a big fan of your daddy. Big fan, buddy. Yes, love you too. There's another one down there too. That's Hendrix. But anyways, this is Zeppy, and he is about a just over 1 year old pug terrier mix. So he's actually called a bug. Say hi, Zeppy.
What you doing, Debbie? What's up, Debbie?
Yeah, so he is sponsoring this week's video. He loves treats. He loves to go for walks. He loves to go to the park. He loves to attack his brother down there, which is Hendrix, and there they go, doing their thing. So yeah, he's kicked in some funds this week. He gave up a percentage of his treats to sponsor the At the Wheels YouTube channel. So thanks, Zeppy. Appreciate it, and we'll see more from you. Now he's trying to get back up here because what about treats? I gave him up for this crap. Sorry, buddy. So it could be how to make a bowl of pasta, or how to cook good pizza crust, or how to pull popcorn, coating off your ceiling, which I need to do, by the way. But how do you build a YouTube channel or a feature of your YouTube channel that you really want to get people excited about? So I did some research, and there are two main things that you need to do to build your YouTube channel, a subscriber count at least. And one of them is how-to videos. So that's one of them. And then the other one is called unboxing videos.
What's in the box?
And unboxing videos can be anything. You could buy something off of Amazon that you want to review or talk about, a pair of sneakers, or in my case, a watch, which we'll get to in a minute.
$17 and a good watch.
And you unbox it and you describe it and you let people see what it looks like and all that fun stuff. So I am going to do some unboxing videos, and I'm definitely going to do some how-to videos in the hopes that it will draw more subscribers for the channel. But in the meantime, thank you for checking this out. And so let's talk about this unboxing, what I'm going to do here. So as you can probably tell, I mean, orange for me is the look I've decided to go with. When I bought the Orange GTS 991.2, by the way, for those of you maybe first checking in, when I bought that, I went to a car meet in South Windsor, Connecticut that I go to very often at a great place called Birdhouse Coffee. And I met a gentleman in his 80s, by the way. This guy was a total rock star. I think he used to race, he said at one point. But anyways, he is local, and he drives in with a brand new, we're talking brand new, 992, GT3. And it's shark blue. And this guy gets out of this car, and everything he's got on is matching this car. And I had said to him that I am going to, if I get a 911, because at the time I had an F80 M3, if I get one, then I'm going to match his look. I'm going to go with that theme. Whatever color I have, I'm going to buy a bunch of stuff that matched the car. And he laughed, and I laughed, and didn't see him for like 6 months. Well, long story short, I ended up getting that car, the Lava Orange GTS, in July of last year. Haven't seen the guy since until very recently. I ran into him again on a late fall day, and I told him the story. He thought it was great. And then he proceeds to tell me that he's trading that car in, and he will be one of the first people to get a delivery of the brand new GT3 RS. So anyways, I'm not sure what he's going to do with his wardrobe at that point and how that may match his colors, but anyways, we'll get to that point. I'm sure I'll get him on video down the road when I go to car season this spring. So let's talk about unboxing. Okay, so what's going to happen here is I've already, with my orange theme, I've already bought some orange things. As you can see, this is some kind of, I think it's Invicta, an orange watch. I like it. It's definitely not too bad. It's weighty. It's got a good face, but just not quite my tempo.
Not quite my tempo. It's all good. No worries. Here we go.
So I went online and I found a company called Wolfpoint, and they are out of Chicago and apparently make a pretty decent, fairly affordable watch. And it just arrived. It just arrived yesterday, delivered from Chicago, from Wolfpoint. So I am going to unbox this and we'll do a little review of it. And I'll tell you what I think of the aesthetics of it, how it feels on my wrist, and it'll be my first unboxing video for the At the Wheels Doofus in the Orange Porsche channel. Thanks so much for checking. All right, so here we go. Here is the box, the Wolfpoint Chicago box that they gave me. That this lovely little watch is inside. So let's pull the top off, and there is some kind of little doohickey here. I don't know exactly what that is. We'll open that in a second, but we're going to put that aside. But this right here, this is the watch. Yes, very, very nice. So it has this, you know, obviously the orange face that I was looking for, but it also has this little kind of goofy moon dial thing on there, which I really couldn't care less about, but I just love the color. And I think for me, I think the reason I went this route or wanted to go this route versus going to a, you know, sticking with the ones with the orange, like the acrylic bands or what have you, is because I used to always have Movados, and I'm a much bigger fan of Movado. So, you know, I couldn't find an orange one. I'm just trying to zoom in on this here for you. So yeah, this is, pull that up there. This is the, you know, very Movado-esque with the exception of that little dial inside, as I said, but I like it so far. So let's pull it out of the box. All right, so here it comes. This is the watch from Wolfpoint with the orange face, and let's get that up there. Yeah, it's really, really nice. Really, really pretty. I do like the color, the orange color that's on the face. So let me pull off this little piece of plastic here. Get that out of the way. So that is it there. I'm trying to get the glare to not be too overwhelming here. But as I was saying about the Movados, this is the thing. Like I've always been a Movado guy, and I still have one that I really love. But I was just hoping to get that kind of band, something a little classier that I can wear with nice clothes and not just always my goofy orange tracksuits. And this, you know, this kind of fit the bill. So so far, really digging it. And it's, you know, it's not as weighty as the Movado. I'd say it's maybe 20% less weighty, but it looks excellent. So let me slip it on here. I'll get back to you in one second. All right, so look at that. There it is, Wolfpoint Chicago with the orange moon face watch. Pretty much matches this this, you know, this sweatshirt thing that I got here. So definitely nice. Like I said, I don't want to turn it too much and have the glare come flying through, but looks good. And you know, it's a little snug on my wrist, so I may have to figure something out with the band to get another link put in or whatever you got to do here. But it's doable. It's definitely wearable. It snaps. You know, it does the you know, good fastener kind of thing, the good clasp they have, so it snaps really tight. But it's a little snug. I could probably use one more link inside there, so we'll have to figure that out. But it looks great. I think I'm going to definitely stick with this. It's fairly comfortable except for the tightness. It looks excellent. I think it's classy. The weighting is decent. We'll have to see how the time itself goes. I haven't messed with it or even set it up yet. But yeah, I'm digging this. So let me just pull the data out here so we know which specific model this is. Yeah, so here we go. This is the, it is called the Orange Moon watch. And yeah, I gotta say, I'm really digging it. It looks really, really nice. I love the classiness of it. It's not too heavy. It's not too underweighted. I just set the time on here, so we'll have to, you know, take a peek at it over the next couple months or whatever, see how it goes. But so far, the Orange Moon watch from Wolfpoint there is a nice addition to the ensemble here. I love the way it looks on my wrist, and gonna go out there and drive the GTS in a few and see how it goes. See if I can pick up some chicks. Looks pretty good, right? Even in the snow. Yeah, left my car off for about 5 minutes and it started snowing. So I'll be bringing that inside, yes. Anyways, love the Wolfpoint watch. Thanks for checking out.